Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to locate Michigan warrant searches, how to do a Michigan warrant search. So if you come down to michiganpublicrecords.org, I can leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. You will notice a database, it's alphabetized of the different public record resources you have available to you in the state of Michigan. So depending on what type of a search you're doing, you might find something useful here. Now we're going to talk about warrants here. If you hover over other records, you'll notice different, and so we have a specific page for the most sought after record types, and they're just more detailed. So if you click on warrant search, there's an explanation of what's available and what's not available. There isn't like a statewide system specifically for warrants. And then at the county level, you have your sheriff's department information. If we ever discover live links where they display these types of warrants, we will provide them here, but at the time of the video we don't have that information available, but we do have specific contact information for specific counties. Another thing to consider when doing a record check is you can also use court records, meaning the way it works is you can anytime a judge has to make a bench warrant, that's done through court, and so that turns into a court document. Court documents are considered public information depending on how sensitive the case might be. So you can also use court records to locate warrant information. So we have I'm on the background check page here, and you have court databases. There's a link for that, so you can check that. There's also court databases at county levels. So if you don't have a live link at the sheriff's department, you can still call them. But if you wanted to check the local court records, like at the court of clerk office database, local one at the county level, you can do that, see if there's anything in there. So you have multiple options here, and I just wanted to go over them and let you know where you can find these resources on the website here. Now, if you are researching criminal information, arrest information, things like that, you can also use the search box on top. Now, this doesn't just do county and state. This goes outside of Michigan. So let's say somebody has some criminal information in Texas or in Georgia, and then they end up moving to Michigan. If you're just looking at local county or state information in Michigan, you're not necessarily going to see that criminal information from another state, and people move around all the time. So it's another great resource to utilize when doing any kind of a public record search. So once again, it's michiganpublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Michigan warrant search.